Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Global Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be talking about the things that I've been working on my business with my friend, with my team. Especially, I'm going to be talking about the Global Art Magazine, what we are working on recently, and what are the new updates we are looking forward to have in the January and February of 2022. So it's an online entrepreneur update. So let's dive in. Before go park, consider clicking the like button, guys. I do really appreciate that if you do so. Consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. Whenever we upload new video, you'll be get notified about it. Also, we have a bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in description box below. Also, you can subscribe to our free email newsletter. The link is also in description box below, guys. You can subscribe to it. It will going to deliver you exclusive email content regarding making money online. It's 100. Feel free to unsubscribe if you want to later on if you change your mind. Let's talk about the recent online entrepreneur update because from few months I've been thinking of a lot about our magazine. Now on this channel, guys, mainly I talk about the art business, the print on demand, the creative fabrica, the KDP, and also the art selling websites, the secret websites, a lot more about making money online as a creative person, as an artist, as a designer. So I'm thinking of making my magazine more for you guys because I've seen that there are so many people who are having a paid membership, paid programs where they are giving the actionable steps each and every week or each and every month to the people who are subscribing to that. And then they are giving with the printables, the downloadable PDFs and guides, kind of like that kind of stuff. So that's what I'm thinking. My always mission with this magazine was to create a kind of like a brand where artists get the necessary help or creative people get the necessary help regarding making money online, because that's also my main source of income. And me myself as an artist, as a creative person, is also making money online, so I have an experience in that and I can share my own experience. And also I talk to other artists, other designers, so I can also combine their own experiences in the magazine itself. So that was the main purpose when I was getting started that. But after looking to the various art magazines that are there in the art worlds, I realized that most of the art magazines feature the artist. They have their art interviews or have some blog article or art news or art history and all those kind of stuff. I did experimented with that kind of thing in the beginning of the few issues of the art magazine. Like I'm a more person who don't like that much of the art history because I feel history is boring. I don't know if that's the same thing for you or not. Do let me know if you feel like history is boring. So I feel like art history was a little bit of the boring, and I'm not really into the art news and talking about this artist and all that kind of stuff. I was more into the art business because it's based on my own experience and knowledge, and that's what I'm doing in my own life as well, in my own business and professional life. So recently we are going to pivot our magazine, guys. It's not generally a pivoting, but I'm going to be changing the content of the magazine. Me and my friend, our team, are planning to make a big changes in our magazine. Now I'm a main person who do the managing and planning and kind of like a research of the stuff because I really love that kind of stuff. And rest of the people who are there in the team do the execution part, designing part, product making part, and all those kind of stuff. I'm more in the managing, planning and researching and analysis and reports kind of part because I don't hate numbers. I love to see the numbers. Okay, this is the growth. Now if I can do this, I can reach to this and that and so on. So this is the kind of task I do in my magazine stuff. Most of the planning, research, analysis, reports and results, outcome and all those kind of stuff I do most of the times because I love it. I've been planning recently to change our magazine to make it as a guide. Now recently, our one magazine issue cost you $9.99, and if it is having a sale, a 20% coupon code or 40% coupon code, it may get you $5.99 or $6 or around $7. But we are thinking of making a kind of like a magazine, not just a magazine, kind of like a guide ebook that we're going to deliver you each and every month exclusive content about making money online, the actionable steps that you could take, the downloadable PDF, and also you could get the KDP interiors, the graphics, and also you're gonna get your questions answered in a very much appropriate detailed way as you want to. Also, we will going to feature the spotlight people who are either getting their first sale on Redbubble or either getting their some sort of an achievement or even starting with their shop. So this is the thing I've been working on, and we are working on these things, and hopefully in the January or in the February we will going to publish our next art magazine in correlation with this particular update. Now guys, do let me know in the comment section below guys if you're really interested in an ebook sort of guide each and every month that will going to deliver you the exclusive content at a reasonable price. It will not going to be a high ticket course. It will going to be really a reasonable price. Like I have putting a price tag around 57 or $60 for an entire year. So it's a 1 year subscription, 1 year membership that you just need to pay 57 or $60 for the entire year. And in that you're going to get kind of like a ebook sort of guide each and every month with actionable steps, downloadable PDF, KDP materials, ebook sort of graphics, a lot more stuffs at highly reasonable rate. That's what we are planning currently, because I want to deliver the content in the online space at highly reasonable rate. I don't want to go with the high ticket price product or course product or something like that. And if this thing works in the future, we will going to add a workshop to it at just the same price as well. Like you don't need to pay more to join that workshop or to join that class or tutorial or something like that. You just need to buy the same amount of $60 or $57. That would be the for guys. Let me know in the comment section below, are you interested in step-by-step guides for helping you making money by Redbubble, by Zazzle, for whatever print on demand or Creative Fabrica or KDP, whatever route you're choosing to making money online. That would work to you as a step-by-step guide. We're going to deliver you each and every month ebook sort of guide that you can download it, you can read whenever you want to. Along with that, you're going to get the downloadable printables, KDP interior as well. That will be exclusive for that particular membership only. It will not going to be there outside of that. You're also going to get the cool graphics, design ideas, topics, niches, events. You're going to get updated with the events, what are the events are coming. There is so much more that will going to help you regarding making money online, step-by-step guide, and at a highly reasonable price at $57-$60 for an entire year. So if I divide 57 by 12, it will cost you around, I think, around $4. So the raise would be around 4 point something dollars per month. So it would be highly reasonable rate. You're gonna get exclusive content and regarding the ebook sort of guide. And if you want your question to be answered, then we will going to answer your question as well in the magazine, explaining in detail about that question and answering you in much depth so that it can help you. So if you really want that kind of ebook sort of guide, do below guys, because I really want to know your views, what you think about it, because that's what I'm thinking for a few months, a really highly reasonable rate that anyone can afford it to join it, and they can join it and they will going to get exclusive content. They can download it, read it, use the printables, and if they want their questions to be answered, they can email us. We will going to answer those questions in our magazine. So this kind of thing I'm thinking currently, guys. Do let me know in the comment section below if you need help regarding print on demand at highly reasonable rate. We will not going to upsell you to some high courses, because I am not working on that. I think I am not gonna work on any course in my entire year, because I don't believe in the high ticket courses. I don't know why is that so, but I won't be selling you high ticket courses. It would be highly reasonable price, just because we are taking that money to support a team that's working behind it, to support the softwares and systems and all that. That's what we are taking the money for that purpose. Apart from that, it would be highly reasonable rate. You don't need to pay for more, and we will not going to upsell you to some bigger course or something like that. It will be just that set only. So do let me know in the comment section below. Do you want some sort of guides, kind of help, that the printables are kind of like a workbook, a blueprint, ebook side of like that will going to help you taking the next steps in your print on demand journey, what you need to do if you are stuck, because I have my own experience with my own print on demand journey and I can help you guys. And also I've been talking with other designers and artists who are making money online by these routes. So I'm going to be combining all the experiences, all the knowledge from all those people in this project, and we're going to deliver you that content. That's what we are taking the money for, because we need to support our team that's working behind it, the software, the systems, and also the designers who will going to provide their valuable knowledge to you by that product, because we want to pay that designer as well, pay that artist as well, because everyone needs money to support their system, to support their team. So that's what this money will going to go into, and that would be highly reasonable rate, guys. Magazine, not just a magazine with the beautiful pictures. It will going to be exclusive, kind of like an ebook sort of magazine. That is the ebook which you can read it, the actionable steps, the important things, and so much more that you really going to help you and really provide value to you. Not just a fancy pictures or fancy kind of like poses and all that. No, the real guide, the real step-by-step guide that will going to help you with each and every month the actionable steps that you could take towards your print-on-demand journey to make more money online. Whether it's a Zazzle, whether it's a Redbubble, whether it's a TeePublic, whatever it is, it will going to help you. Without you, this channel don't exist. Without you, this Global Art and Magazine doesn't really exist. It's all because of you. Please guys, I really need your support. Do let me know in the comment section below if you want such kind of stuff. If you're really interested in that, then I'm gonna make it as an early price point, and we're going to offer you an offers that will cost you less dollars for an entire year, and really valuable information that will going to help you. Hopefully this will going to work well, guys. Finger crossed, because I'm doing something which is really new. I don't see anyone doing it at such an affordable rate, and I think it will going to work fine. It will going to be okay, because you guys are there, you lovely people are there who have beautiful comments in the comment section below, and I love to read them. Please guys, I need your support. I know that you're going to support me. I need your support. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. I know I want your views about this particular project, what kind of things you want, or suggestions or advices you have for this project. I'm going to incorporate all those in this project, so that to make this project a successful one, to make it a one so that it actually help you guys, it actually help the people to make money online. That's what my project main intention behind it, and that's what I'm working on from few months. And hopefully I think in the January February it will going to get ready, and it will going to be in front of you guys, and you can read it and watch it and do all those kind of stuff. And you're always there with me and always putting the beautiful comments in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye guys.